Community-based water catchment management.
Construction of nature-based infrastructure.
Iha tempo uluk unhira sirau que implementa atividade de captação B, iha tempo vai lorong B menos. Ami comunidade susarata se subabemos.
Nature-based solutions such as terracing, check dams, ponds embody the locally generate knowledge and coexistence with the nature by generations in the past, offering sustainable use of water that fosters resilience in water-scared communities.
Teras makanesan itahalo taray hansa modelo skada iha rai nebe maklolon. Depois ni benefício maka atu satan rai ni neteen o hira mu urang kari bela luri rai tem baliu. Tinggi satan rai te haneba atu nei tabele kuda buat rumah ana sa produto rumah haneba ne paratu ninya for benefício diak ba moris komunalnya.
These infrastructure formations have no negative effect to the environment, but retain rainwater before it reaches the rivers and lets adequate time for it to infiltrate into the ground. This is the most cost-effective and efficient solution to the periodic water shortages in rural mountainous areas. By mimicking nature's own mechanisms, check dams offer a sustainable solution to water management challenges, ensuring the vitality of ecosystems and the well-being of communities for generations to come. Nature-based solutions by communities will optimize the use of limited rainfall to replenish depleting groundwater and increase the flow and availability of water in surrounding springs. Harmony with nature building sustainable infrastructure is a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration in creating a brighter, greener future.
Benefício de captação B, ne benefício ba ami vele acesso ba bemos, compara ao tempo uluk, ligu-se atividade da captação B, agora da B aumenta. Amne be matan mos be aumenta ba bebe kata ami vele acesso ba bemos.